Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily manage and monitor user sessions in Odoo 19. Whether for security or general maintenance, knowing who is logged in is essential. To get started, navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select the My Preferences section. This is where you can manage your personal account settings. Once you're in the Preferences menu, click on the Security tab. Here, Odoo provides a clear overview of every active session currently logged into your account. You can see details such as the last login time for each device. If you need to clear these sessions, simply select the ones you wish to end. You also have the option to log out from all devices simultaneously by clicking the Log Out button. Once clicked, every active session across all devices will be instantly terminated. And that's it. Your account is now secure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.